So today we are going to make some no-baked bars for the holidays. Okay, and Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Okay, so you want to get a cup of peanut butter, your choice, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, and you want to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And you want to add a cup of oatmeal, your choice. Either it can be quick oatmeal or rolled oats. I used a little bit of both, but you want a cup of oatmeal. Okay, so then you're going to want to add it to your 1 cup of oatmeal. There we go. Then you want to put it on parchment paper. And now this would be really good, like I said, with a little bit of semi-sweets in it, or some walnuts, or some pecans, or roasted peanuts. But I'm just making them plain today. And then just smooth it out. Okay, and then you want to leave it sit on your counter and get back to room temperature, and then put it in your refrigerator. Okay, so I put them in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours, and I cut them. And I decided to go ahead and drizzle some of this chocolate. They're melted morsels of any kind that you want. And if you don't want them to turn hard, you can put a little milk in them after you heat them in the microwave. And then it won't get so hard on you, but I kind of like that look on them. It's like a granola bar, a soft, chewy granola bar. And that's the kind of the texture it has. And so then you just put them on a plate and you serve them. And I bet they'll go just like that. Okay, have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas.